Hi there. We'll lay the groundwork for understanding credit in this video. People and businesses can use credit to borrow money and repay the loan over time. It's an important part of the economy, and you do well to learn how it works if you want to be better at managing your own money. In that case, how would you define credit? Loans are essentially contracts between a creditor and a debtor. Lenders like banks and credit card companies will loan you money if you promise to pay it back with interest at a later date. You can use credit to do a lot of different things, like buy a car, go to college, or start a business. Several varieties of credit are available. By far the most common type is revolving credit, like that offered by credit cards. Revolving credit allows you to borrow money as you need it and pay it back whenever you choose, up to a set maximum. Installment credit, on the other hand, is used for larger purchases that are paid off over a longer period of time, such as a mortgage or a vehicle loan. Your creditworthiness relies heavily on your credit score. It's a number that represents your credit history and is used by lenders to gauge your likelihood of repaying a loan. The length of your credit history, the types of credit you've used in the past, and how reliably you've made your payments all play a role in determining your credit score. Having a high credit score improves your chances of being approved for credit and can also lead to more favorable interest rate terms. Your time spent viewing our video on Credit 101 is greatly appreciated. We trust that the information was informative and that you have a clearer picture of credit and how it functions as a result of reading this. Having a high credit score can open doors to reduced interest rates, better terms on loans and credit cards, and more. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one on personal finance topics if you found this one helpful. To add your own perspective, please comment below and share your story. We appreciate you taking the time to watch.